So today we're at the Castle Point VA Hospital and we're about to do a bike unveil. This bike's important to us because it represents 100 years of Veterans Day and Save the Home Front. So what better place to do it than at the VA Hospital right across the river from our shop.
Without veterans, the freedom that each of us have to build what we build and to do what we do would not be there. We are thankful every day for every veteran that serves this country. God bless you all.
I am the CEO and founder of SHF. My name is Jack Young. My organization is the recipient of the motorcycle. Absolutely blown away to be able to carry the mantle of the 100th anniversary for Veterans Day and Veterans Legacy. Our purpose is simple, that there is life after the uniform. That once the uniform comes off, it's where are you going next in your life? What are you going to do in your life?
Yeah, I just want to say thanks for everything that you guys do. And, you know, if it wasn't for what you guys do, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. Thank you very much.
All right, we'll do an awesome little countdown. Me and Jay will get out here on 3. We'll rip the sheet off, and then we ask everybody, come check it out. If you have questions about, you know, the foundation, anything for Jax, us, the process of the build, we love that. You know, we're here for you guys, and once again, so thankful to be here and very honored. Are you ready, J-Dog? I think so. All right, can we get a count? 3, 2, 1. Oh, my God.
I cannot believe it. The bike is absolutely unbelievable, like more than any expectation that I can imagine. In addition to that, for us to be doing this on a VA campus, with it being the 100th anniversary for Veterans Legacy in this country in celebration of Veterans Day, my mind is completely blown. With Save Home Front's focus on being life after the uniform, the American History Movement Tour is going to be absolutely amazing, and it would not have been possible without you, OCC. Thank you guys so much. You mean the world.
So the unveil today went absolutely great. The bike showed perfectly, a bunch of people showed up, and we're so thankful and honored to be able to represent 100 years of Veterans Day.
This was an incredible bike build. It was amazing working so closely with our men and women of our armed forces. We are all really blessed to live in such a great country. I feel good that this bike is going to raise awareness for all of our veterans.